Okay. It's working.
Welcome back to
Maya.
Dreamland 101.
Dreamland 101, you know.
Yeah.
And we will be showing slime because we really want to sell on Etsy, but we can't just go ahead and sell it.
Mm-hmm.
And we really want the people there to, like, see us and be able to, like, sell our slime on Etsy so that you guys can
I don't think they can see us.
get really good reviews. So first you can show you
Okay.
your slime.
Okay, do you want to move?
And we're going to be making more, so.
Yeah, we're going to make way more, so don't think we just had 7. Okay. So, this is my...
And these aren't the official flavors because she's going to dye them, like, red to make apple and stuff like
Maybe.
that.
Well, I know this one is staying that color.
Yeah,
So, this is marshmallow right now, and it's going to be marshmallow.
yes. And then she's going to change her other 2 white ones to, like, cherry and apple maybe or something.
And then this one is snow.
And that one will probably be cherry.
Maybe. And then this one is, what is it? Milk.
Which will probably be apple or something.
If I even, I
have 4 slimes, and we'll be making way more flavors too, and colors, and we might be even making scents.
Weird. Sorry.
Okay.
Is that really
So-
how my tongue looks like?
We have 2 blues, which I think might be a problem, because it won't. One might be scented, so it'll be a little different. But first, we have our blueberry. So
So if you guys know Etsy, like if you know and if you know how to give them reviews, definitely show them this video because we really want to sell slime, but we're not.
and if you
sure.
want us to sell slime, you're gonna have to show them because I mean. So then we have.
I do it at school. But
This is my first slime. And we have, it is actually blue raspberry. No, oh my god, it's blueberry. So this one's blueberry. And it's a really nice color and it can, like, make really cool swirls.
yeah, and the thing is, we could dye this another color and make it another color to make it like rainbow sherbet, something like that. Because we want them all to be sherbet, but with mine, I
Or,
don't.
like, champagne or, like, something like that. So this one's really stretchy and you didn't hear the noise yet, so. That's the noise of that one.
And
then we
we're
have-
not making it with our mouth because, you know.
And if I'm talking while I'm doing it, obviously I'm not going.
But I'm not going to.
Yeah, because obviously you can Etsy if you want to like test out our slimes, you can, but obviously.
Yeah.
Then we have another blue one.
I'm pretty sure
which-
Etsy's a YouTube channel.
This one is blue raspberry tornado because it has like white in it too, so it's like a spiral of colors. And here, I'll show you my swirls to make sure that you guys can see the swirl. So that's a pretty cool
Alright,
swirl
guys.
there. And then this one.
Go check out Nicole Jacqueline because she's selling slime and Maya's getting some. So definitely,
Yeah,
that
I'm
would be
getting the
great.
milk slime. And actually, we did not copy her. We actually came out with the milk before she did, so she probably didn't know, but like a lot of the slimes are the same. So yeah, we have our swirl, and then we'll show you the noise
And we're not mad at her. So.
and the stretch. So it is super duper good slime, and I love it. So our 2 other slimes are probably, and tomorrow's Monday, which means we have school, and I have
Sunday.
Taekwondo.
It's Sunday.
I know, tomorrow's Monday, I just said that.
Oh, I thought you said today's Sunday.
So we probably will be making them tomorrow, not tomorrow because I have Taekwondo. It's really busy tomorrow. But I am missing school on Tuesday, so we might be able to make some on Tuesday before we go to the Harriet Tubman thing.
We're not telling.
Because we won't be going there, and it's also my school concert, so I'll be vlogging that too.
Yeah.
So next, I have grape slime. So next we have our grape slime. And we are actually making more slime tonight. We just figured that out.
Yeah.
This one has bubbles, so it's like air bubble slime.
And we're going to be making another video, and it's like if she asks me what's my favorite,
We're gonna do like slime guessing.
like, or who knows each other best,
Yes.
because I don't want to know slime real well.
Okay. So next one I have grape slime, and it has a very good stretch as well, so it's like really cool. it has the good swirl, and then it has the noise as well.
Stop saying as well. You sound like my friend Logan. He's like the oldest kid.
Is he Mexican? Oh,
He had.
Mexicans say that.
Okay. No wonder you're saying it.
So then this one has a good stretch, and it has the good noise too. So it's really good. And just saying, if you are watching this, that actually we're really good teamwork. We don't fight all the time.
Yeah.
So would have good teamwork, and we wouldn't fight over which slime we're gonna sell and everything.
We
so.
just know I'm not selling any of mine. We don't think we're gonna be selling any of these, but maybe one of the blue ones, just because.
So then my last slime is Sherbert, and it's orange and like a little mix of red, and it's super cool. And this one is the biggest slime. So if you want a big amount, and these slimes will be around $3 to $5, $3 to $8. I'm going to.
This may be $5 just because how good it
Yeah, like
is.
$5 to $6, and my grape one will definitely be like $5.
Amazing if Etsy was actually watching this.
So then we have Sherbert slime, which is a super good stretch. Like, I love this stretch.
It's so cute. I love it.
And then it has a good
And we will make sure
thing.
if we mess up, we will start again, and we will not give you broken slime.
You will not sell this if it turns out worse. Just keep getting glue and yeah. So
And if you guys comment down below and want to see more slime videos, we'll post more so we have more chances of Etsy seeing. And if you guys know like Etsy and the owner is your grandfather or dad or something like that, just tell them, please.
yes. So thank you for watching.
Bye.